sing. Jaja is the only way. Nobody want to plant the can. Everybody want to read the band. Who you are go blame it on? When is the next man you are the pen pan? Well you wrong. Nobody want to plant the can. Everybody want to read the band. Happy sing your own a song, can't compete with Kelly's John. I was looking a start, just a little ease off. No one would help me push that old and can't. Them a laugh, never take me serious. So many goals and tasks, patrols I pass every day. My Lord, I have to pray on my way. Them never realize it a little corporation. We coulda unify, relieve the frustration. Instead them want to ride up on them brother back. No tears, no cares. If him evil did stop our job. Nobody want to plant the can. Everybody want to read the band. Who you are go blame it on? When is our next man you are the pen pan? Well you wrong. Nobody want to plant the can. Everybody want to read the band. You happy sing your own a song, can't compete with Kelly's John. I feel pleased when I take a little ease from a long hard day of work. A sense of achieving to know I'm contributing, doing my part. Ooh, this is my comfort. I know there is a reward for every trying man who walk this land with an intention to do good for himself and every man. Just a meditation. Nobody want to plant the can. Everybody want to read the band. Who you are go blame it on? When is the next man you are the pen pan? Well you wrong. Nobody want to plant the can. Everybody want to read the band. Happy sing your own a song, can't compete with Kelly's John. Well I've been up from early this morning. Never drink no tea, me never eat no fried dumpling. Never seen no one to strengthen me on me journey. Now me make a change, the whole of them want fi friend me, want fi take it all. No mind if me stall, them no business if me back against the wall. This a living sometime making me ball. Seems like there ain't no love after all. Nobody want to plant the can. Everybody want to.
Yeah, brother, I eat this one. Pumpkin water, no? Yeah, man.
Under the pressures of life and it tough. No stay down, mama time pick it up. No matter with the down, full style, strictly up, full vibes. No pick it up when the bills, them the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah. When me chalice, when your best friends are gone and it's only you. Yeah. Like up a split, turn up the music. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and the rock with me. You can feel a reggae music sweet, yeah.
Yes,
Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and the rock with me. You can feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. Skanking sweet. For every pain there's a melody, yeah. For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together. So make we sing together. And who said life no harder? And every man got their struggle. I beg you to help me, Lord. And let me overcome my troubles. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. Skanking sweet. We skanking till our heart
bed, you know?
until the day when my troubles hallelujah. We're grooving in our jazz. feel a reggae music sweetly. Yeah, skank. Everybody wanna feel like rain. Like I troubles in the rock. You know feel a reggae music sweetly. So skanking, grooving, skanking, skanking, grooving.
Sweet pepper seed better.
Body was skanking sweet. Everybody was skanking sweet. Body was skanking sweet. Body was skanking sweet. Yeah. I'm gonna be skanking. I wanna be skanking. I'm gonna be skanking. I'm gonna be skanking. Whoa.
I found with it, I think. Means I can make a tea.
From me looking at my face, you see a De La Vegan. Well, I say come Max and Glazer Anti-Federation. Strictly roots and culture play per nice station. Yo, yeah, me letting all you them on the money promoter. We are doing this to the dance done, I'm ready. Spain Town original. And my neighbors drink cut over Spanish Town Hospital. To me mama name Nana Spanish Town original. And my papa name Kaneka Spanish Town original. And my granny name Peggy Spanish Town original. Them call her sticker cause she don't normal. For your grandson chronic such a field marshal. If I dance at school we are the principal. And now we are the real microphone officials. Give them a new style. Sperling in a me goodies somewhere well physical. Well I'm offering proper chronic microphone official. Me read me Bible every day and somewhere well biblical. I meditate in the morning somewhere well spiritual. I said original chronics representing from prison oval. Live and direct, hear me now. I grew up in a place called De La Vega. De La Vega. Spanish Town rocking. Over prison oval. Yeah. I grew up in a place called Some City. Spanish Town grooving. Everybody nice. Yes, I grew up. Uptown posse beg your rock and come in. Me say downtown posse beg your rock and come in. Me say tell Maxine, Paulette and Pauline. And I tell them Papa Chronics him they up on the scene. Voice string out like a siren. Bring your little picnic and my lyrics them clean. No cigarette, no day just strictly the green. And send no alcohol, no day just strictly spurling. I'm a afraid bring my woman cause a royal rhythm. Remember said the king of kings done crown with the queen. Oh, me fell left my woman and a sprawl with machine. And me can't dance with no M16. Can't wind me good deep on no all 14. And I'm a friend Papa Chronics and the royal rhythm. Come, push up your hand them on the royal rhythm. Come, hug up your woman on the royal rhythm. Well, I'm a friend Max Glazer and the royal rhythm. And I'm one Kenny Museum and the royal rhythm. Well, I'm a whole federation and the royal rhythm. And the whole of Brooklyn and the royal rhythm. Spanish Town, well, and we royal.
God give you 2 ears and 1 mouth. You talk less and listen more. Keep by your mouth. What me say? Keep by your mouth.
say he that keepeth his mouth, you know, they shall be longer. I never ask you, nothing when you tell me. I beg you daily to cease and still you keep talking. Me granny tell me from your little baby, he that keepeth his mouth shall stay out of problem. You mean? It seems like he was carrying dread. So I ain't carrying on. No, say about that chatter with me will chatter of me, my murder rap big in farmer. Oh, Jay, your mouth I go put you in a problem, a deep problem. Whoa, hey, oh, Jay.
Are you that?
Give thanks to Circle Family every time.
Rasta.
Yeah.
You have to be careful, you know. Them just watch you, and them chatty, you know. Them not see I'm blind and them not hear and deaf. Let me say that. Bad mind, man. All of your thing all on the internet.
Yeah. You a go ball, say see a kaya mountain. What? You a go weak, say see a kaya teeth. Creation make a ball, see a kaya mountain. Every thief is a liar, every liar is a thief.
Yo, you know, Connex I give him the album.
Yo, shit bad. But me I said Teflon and deal with them no more, you know.
Yo, I wanna play FIFA. So what the ball is for? Nah man, come off of the phone man, make you play some real ball man. I want to. Remember you tell me Teflon hate me. Say what? Then you tell Teflon can excite him like a dose of poison. Don't believe you, you're wicked. Oh man, yes. You tell me woman say me have another lady. Lie. Then you tell me say she have a man well live a high rise. Murderer, mount of my sea.
Felix, what me now? Watch much like me go get one put it on Instagram. So yeah, idiot girl.
Beautiful children who are going. I wanna take.
Selfie.
Nah man, self is everything, you know. So make we take some picture of what go on in nature, you know. We get more likes for that, you know. Because I hope one day we can beautiful like them too, you know. So we give thanks, you know, take care of yourself, Rasta. Your mouth I go put you in a problem. Deep, deep problem. Nobody never tell. My word. Oh, your mouth I go put you in a problem. Oh, problem. Oh, you a go ball, say see a kaya mountain. You a go weak, say see a kaya teeth. Say what? You a go ball.